The public health major is special because, in part, the public health field is really special. So it's very broad and very interdisciplinary. In public health, we are really focused on making our communities a healthier place. And we do everything from investigating disease outbreaks to educating people about health and healthy behaviors to advocating for policy change to try to make being healthy easier.
I'm really interested in helping people, and so public health is all about helping people, and I'm also really passionate about living a healthy lifestyle. I really love the people that I've met so far, and a lot of those people share the same passions as me, so being around that atmosphere is really cool.
There's lots of different options and avenues that you can take through being a public health major, from environmental health to community health. There's literally something for everybody.
My favorite part of my job has to be the students, absolutely. They have so much passion and energy for what they're learning. It's really energizing to be around them. Another thing that I really love about my job is that I get to combine community engagement with my teaching and the learning that we do in the classroom. Public health is really focused on serving our neighbors and our communities, and I really love that I get to do that work as well as teach about that work.
The best part of my job is supervising interns and watching them grow from being students to early professionals. We require a 9-credit-hour internship at the end of our major. Another great part is that I then get to work with our former students who are now supervising our current students, and that gives me an opportunity to see them making our community healthier.
We never have enough people to do all the great things that we want to do. And so when students are interested and want to learn more about public health, we want to give them those opportunities. And it's just a wonderful way to just continue our outreach in the community.
Our alums are really well prepared when they leave college. We spend a lot of time and energy on exactly that, right? Preparing them for being employed, working in public health.
I would tell someone who's considering a public health major at UNI to try it. Even if your passions do rely on just helping people or whatever that may be for you, I think there is a path for you within public health.